In a shocking turn of events, Jamaican sprinter Oblique Seville handed American Noah Lyles a humbling defeat, leaving Lyles' pre-race boasts ringing hollow. Seville's dominant performance proved that actions speak louder than words, as Lyles was left to eat his own arrogance. Before the race, Lyles had been brash and confident, claiming he would break the stadium record and Usain Bolt's record. But when the dust settled, it was Seville who won the race with Lyles trailing behind. Seville's winning world-leading time of 9.82 seconds was a testament to his lightning-fast speed and left Lyles in the dust. Despite Lyles' impressive resume, which includes 3 World Championship gold medals, 2 in the 200 meters and 1 in the 4x100 meters relay, and 1 Olympic bronze medal in the 200 meters, he was no match for Seville's raw talent and determination. Seville, on the other hand, has been steadily rising through the ranks, with a 4th-place finish in the 100 meters final at the 2022 Eugene World Championships and a semi-final appearance in the 100 meters at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, held in 2021 due to the pandemic. In a cryptic social media post after the race, Lyles vowed to remember the defeat, writing, "I will remember this, see you in Paris, Oblique Seville." However, Seville has remained silent, letting his victory do the talking. But here's the reality check. Lyles must first navigate the US trials to secure a spot on the team before he can even dream of Paris. And, as one keen observer pointed out, he's not the only one with feet. There are other talented sprinters waiting in the wings, ready to take him down. The rivalry, if you can even call it that, is decidedly one-sided, with Lyles doing all the talking while Seville lets his actions speak for themselves. Will Lyles be able to back up his boasts and qualify for the US team? Only time will tell. For now, Seville reigns supreme, and Lyles is left to ponder the error of his ways.